Starting on the walk to Kirby Stevens, 20.5 miles, so may not be able to share much. But I have to keep moving today. If you're gonna do the coast to coast walk, get you a book such as this. This is the Coast to Coast Path by Henry Stedman and Joel Newton, and I'll put a link to it eventually. If I forget to, just throw it down in the comments. But what I really like about it is on a lot of the pages, it has a lot of good cues because sometimes the path's not really clear. So it says, I'm looking for a big rock. And, oh yeah, there's a big rock. Now I'm going the right way. Speaking of navigation, I'm not using my phone's GPS, I'm using maps. And occasionally you'll have a marker like this. It'll make sure you're going the right way. I finally got ahead of him. Except he did stop for probably 30 minutes. A quick update on the terrain. We're out of the Lakes District, so it becomes more rolling, but still extremely green. Still some nice tarns. Lovely views all the way around. If you're from the USA, does this look familiar? Put it down in the comments and tell me what you think it looks like. Fascinating find along the Coast to Coast walk. We have Eden Animal Rescue, and they have some treats here for us, and all they ask in return is a donation. Went with the shortbread biscuit with chocolate. Party foul, dropped some. Just getting into Kirby Stevens. Pretty nice town. My first 20-mile day. I got one or more, two of those on this route. I have to say my knees are talking to me a little bit, but nothing a pint at the pub and some good food won't fix. See you tomorrow.